Starting around 30 July 2023, Theta organization certainly is exchanging at 81 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1% in by and large most recent 1 hour, in a for the most part enormous manner. Theta sort of has a really all-out market cap of $808,636,210, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,166,278, which by and large is very critical. This by and large makes Theta organization, Theta, exceptionally positioning at 52 in the cryptographic money market, which most certainly is very huge. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization sort of be truly worth in 2023? Or so they basically thought. Is Theta organization a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they most certainly thought. Will Theta cost really outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they thought. These essentially are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2023. As per the Theta organization estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost generally is supposed to, in a real sense, cross a really normal value level of $1. The normal most certainly least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be 97 cents, or so they truly thought. Besides, Theta can generally arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $1.07. Theta value gauge July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Theta organization truly is supposed to especially arrive at a really least value worth of 78 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Theta cost could, in a real sense, arrive at a most extreme cost of 87 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost around 85 cents in a very enormous manner. Theta organization value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the for the most part greatest cost for Theta organization could explicitly stretch around 91 cents, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in August 2023, especially, is 85 cents with a by and large normal cost of 88 cents, which in every practical sense is very huge. Theta organization value estimate September 2023, the in every practical sense normal cost of Theta organization, Theta, could truly go to 92 cents toward the finish of September 2023. Which basically is very huge. Theta could, in every practical sense, be exchanging around a fundamentally most extreme worth of 94 cents, with the kind of least expected cost of 89 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Theta organization value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Theta organization generally is supposed to especially be at around a genuinely least of 92 cents in an in every practical sense significant way. Theta organization cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of 99 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost of 96 cents in United States dollars in an extremely significant way. Theta organization value expectation November 2023. Theta organization cost for the most part is supposed to for the most part reach between 94 cents to $1.03 in November 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Theta for the November certainly remains around 98 cents. Theta value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Theta organization certainly is gauged to for the most part be at around and in every practical sense least worth of 97 cents, exhibiting how besides Theta can especially arrive at a truly greatest value level of $1.07. Theta value estimate July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Theta organization generally is supposed to by and large arrive at an extremely least value worth of 78 cents, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The Theta organization value worth can fundamentally arrive at a limit of $1.07. With the truly normal exchanging worth of $1 in USD. Theta organization past value examination, in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been truly diminished by 0.14% in its ongoing worth, which really is very huge. Assuming we basically look at the extremely current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which truly is genuinely critical. Theta organization truly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The Theta essentially is down to nearly 1.54% in the especially most recent 7 days, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for kind of past lovely few days. The coin could explicitly have sort serious areas of strength for of yet. We don't explicitly feel that it would a productive resource in especially present moment, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta generally diminished by 30.170%. Wiping out an incredible certainly normal amount of 35 cents from its genuinely current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an especially decent basically purchase an open door for essentially fast venture, which most certainly is very huge. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 23.28%. And the cost certainly circled from a genuinely least truly normal cost of 97 cents to truly greatest really normal cost of $1.06 in the beyond 90 days, especially further appearance. How Theta organization sort of is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In sort of most recent 4 months Theta organization basically has shown a developing pattern, which in every practical sense shows that Theta organization value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Theta organization especially is supposed to fundamentally be at around a truly least of 92 cents, which certainly is very huge. In this manner, we for the most part believe that comparative pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period. So on the off chance that we basically look at the by and large current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization fundamentally is expanded from 4 months, showing how Theta organization value expectation November 2023. Theta organization value sort of is supposed to essentially reach between 94 cents to $1.03 in November 2023. While the typical cost of Theta for the November truly remains around 98 cents. Theta value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Theta organization in every practical sense is gauged to fundamentally be at around a really least worth of 97 cents, exhibiting how additionally Theta can by and large arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $1.07. Theta value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Theta organization in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally arrive at any rate value worth of 78 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The coin generally is up by 6.76%, with the exceptionally greatest really normal cost of the coin by and